Disneyland Paris, family magic. Embark on an unforgettable, family-friendly adventure at Disneyland Paris, where enchantment knows no bounds. Just 32 kilometers east of Paris, this magical wonderland, opened in 1992, beckons with a kaleidoscope of family delights. Disneyland Park immerses families in timeless Disney tales, offering whimsical rides, vibrant shows, and encounters with beloved characters such as Cinderella's Castle, Space Mountain, and Pirates of the Caribbean. Meanwhile, Walt Disney Studios Park celebrates the magic of film and television production. From 9:30 a.m. to 10 o'clock daily, the parks unfold a kaleidoscope of delights, ensuring shared laughter and wonder. Disneyland Paris, a tapestry of dreams, invites families to weave their own tales of laughter, love, and magic in this extraordinary realm of joy. Good vibes only.